Hello students. So today I'm going to go over English 10A Credit 2 and I'm going to show you how to annotate. Obviously, you're going to work on the entire packet just like you did on the previous credit, but I'm going to show you one example on how to annotate and then you can do the rest. As you can see here, on the left side, you're just kind of posting facts, and on the right side, you're just posting like your opinion on what you see. Now we're going to go over the drawing tool right here. And you're going to choose any color except red because I grade in red. So I'm going to go with green. And when you're annotating, I only need 2 annotations per page. As you can see, this is page 13. I only need one on the left side and one on the right side. For example, to fill out this question right here, so for these paragraphs, the question is right here. Which words in lines 44 through 51 show that Goodall admires Lou Perotti and the work he does? So 44 through 51. That's right here. So 44 through 51. For us, they highlighted the word perfect. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. All right. So once you find something that you want to highlight, you just kind of just click on the mouse and just go like that. Creepy crawly. Now that word, creepy crawly, is that an actual word or is that one of those made up words? And that's kind of what you want to write. So you create a text box and you write down creepy crawly is used to specify the bugs. And that counts as one annotation. All right. Now to do something that's like an opinion, for example, let's say you read here, and what about American burying beetle? What role, if any, does it play in our environment? This is what I learned about when on March 18, 2007, when I met with Lou Perotti and Jack Mullivan of Roger Williams Park Zoo in Providence, Rhode Island. And here, you can just say, you can underline here, and just kind of remember, the right side is where you post facts and opinions. And you can just say something simple like, I have always wanted to visit a zoo from another state. Things like that. And this actually counts as your 2 annotations for page 14. And that's all we need to do for lesson 2. Just annotate left side, right side, underline or highlight, and answer the questions. Make sure you complete the mastery check. When you're doing the mastery check on lesson 3, you're going to go over the definitions and things like that, especially the ones on page 28, right here, page 28. Now, as you see this definition right here, perceptuous, it's always best to scroll back up and to find the definition in the glossary that's in the packet. So perceptuous is sudden and rapid, so something very fast. So then you go back down to page 28 and it says, which is more perceptuous, a cliff or a shallow pond? Shallow means not that deep. So you can just answer this by saying, you can use this as an example. A cliff is more precipitous because it goes up a lot higher than a pond is deep. Let's go shallow pond. And that's it. That's all you got to do to earn the points. please let me know if you need any help. Just send me a private message. Now, very important, the most important thing obviously is the annotations, because as you can see here in the rubric, if you're not purposely highlighting or underlining any symbols or making any notes, you don't earn any points here or here. And a lot of you are doing a great job answering the questions, but you're missing out on easy points. That's it for now. Have a good day.